Hey Curly Teas, today we're making a real store quality gel using water infused with marshmallow root, fenugreek seed, and slippery elm bark. Fenugreek seed is a powerhouse seed used to help strengthen the hair and to add shine. It's also a well-known Ayurvedic remedy to help fight hair fall and premature graying. Marshmallow root contains mucilage, which helps coat and smoothen the hair. It's also said to help moisturize dry hair. Slippery elm bark is said to help moisturize and promote healthy hair growth. It's also thought to add shine and strength to dry hair. By the way, check out these cute little golden sparkly stirrers I found. They aren't necessary for this recipe though. I just thought they were cute. This is a new paint strainer, which is actually great for straining out mucilage. After straining, get the exact amount for your recipe. If you have a powdered preservative that's not heat sensitive, add it now. I'm using gluconolactone SB. Betaine is an excellent extract made from sugar beets. use it as a humectant. Now, I've made all types of gels, nothing that came close to this, nothing that I really truly liked. This is just everything that I was looking for in one. I can use my low pH teas like marshmallow root and fenugreek seed. I have hold. I also have that feeling, that slippery, good feeling that gels have when you're applying them to the hair. Everything in one. You, of course, can tweak this recipe to be as, you know, as substantial or as light as you need it to be. But if you're looking for multiple day curl definition, you may want to try this recipe first. Of course, you can add fragrance if you want to, but I'm fine with the natural marshmallow root and fenugreek seed scent. It gets this golden color from that marshmallow root and that fenugreek seed, all right? So this is no added colors or anything in this. That's it, y'all. Enjoy your jiggly marshmallow root gel and know that all of this is in your hands. Don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.